Well, I'm at it again. Yeah, it's day number 18. 18 days of walking 5 miles, consecutive miles a day for 31 days. Getting my walk on. And by the way, this is going to be a little bit dangerous today. As you can see, the snow is coming down. The roads are getting a little treacherous. It is icy. I shouldn't even be walking on this patches of ice because it can be dangerous. But guess what? It's not going to be as dangerous as my hometown of Boston, Massachusetts, that is getting its walk on or snow on. And I guess you're going to have, a couple of feet of snow compared to Maryland with our big 2 inches, big 3 inches of snow. Enjoy, Boston. Guess what? Enjoy. Well, you ain't gonna enjoy me slipping and falling here because I'm taking cautious moves throughout this walk, and I'm gonna be getting my walk on for the next 5 miles, 6 miles, 7 miles. I don't even know how many miles I'm going to do today, but I'm going to do my miles. And in doing my miles, I'm going to be walking cautiously, to say the least. Man, I'm going to walk so cautious, it's going to be unbelievable. Because the roads are getting quite, what do we call it, icy? Because it's below 30 degrees. And as this snow comes down, or this quasi-snow, I'm going to call it snow and ice. As the snow and ice comes down, it becomes pretty hectic to be able to walk on. But right now, it's not black ice, as we call it here. Not yet, not until later on tonight, when all these puddles and so forth actually turn into ice. So, as you can see, as I slosh down the road, you can see actually that this is ice, really. And you can slip and fall if there's a patch underneath of ice. So the bottom line is you gotta be careful and make sure that you move with all and due prudence and all due caution. And if you use prudent care and caution, you'll be fine. If you don't, you'll slip and fall. And by the way, I ain't doing no slip and fall videos today. That's for dead up sure. I'm just gonna be taking it easy and walking cautiously. Well, that's it for now. It's day number 18. Hey, counting down to 31. And if it's day number 18, well, I got 13 days to go, right? About 13 days to go. So I'm past the halfway mark, and I'm loving it. But I'm always getting my groove on, no matter if it's sleeting, hailing, sunshine. As you can see, it has not made a difference to me. I just keep it moving. That's it, that's all. Just keep it moving. If I can keep it moving, you know what? I'm going to keep on getting my groove on. Anyway, that's it for now. Peace. As they say, out. Bye.